Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. So in this video we are going to write Armstrong program in Python. So let's see here, first of all, what is the Armstrong number. Suppose here this is a 3-digit number. If the 3-digit number, if it is equal to sum of the cubes, means here total numbers please are the 3 there. So if you apply this equation, if it satisfies it is the Armstrong number. Suppose if the given number is a 4-digit number, if it is equal to this equation, so then that number is called as Armstrong number. Now how to write the program code for Armstrong number for checking it. So first of all, take the input as a equal to enter number. Now find the length of the given number, length. So that is LE equal to length of string of the given number A. In next step, first of all assume that the total sum equal to 0. Sum equal to 0, and this given number assign it to another object. Take num equal to A. Now apply while loop for checking, means for getting the sum of the whole values. So while number greater than 0. Now I want the getting the number each digit from that given number. So B equal to number percentage now I am going to add into the given sum as B power of LE, that is the length of the given number. Now take another number from that. So it returns the overall sum of the number. Now I am going to check for the given number. So if the given number is A, if A equal to the sum, here overall sum will get. If A equal to overall sum, then print given number is Armstrong number. Else print it is not Armstrong number. Now run the code. Now you are first of all enter the number 370. Now enter. Oh sorry, here 0 is there. Enter 370. Now run it. Now the given number is Armstrong number. Suppose if you take another number, run the code, enter 123, so it is not Armstrong number. Now check another example, 1724, so it is not Armstrong number. And this is a process for checking any number is Armstrong number or not Armstrong. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and see you in next video.